YouTube? It's your girl at Tony back at it again with another video to show you how I take my hair from ratchet to classy, from curly to straight, from a fro to slayed. She's gonna sit there and scratch. Really? Anyway, I'm gonna show you my go-to routine when it comes to straightening my hair, to show you how I take my hair from this. Let's take it down. Lord, I'm having a heart attack. Damn, this is some scary shit. Woo. To hopefully straight. Stay tuned. So this is actually the next morning. What you guys didn't see off camera is that I just combed my hair out and then did like 6 twists all over my head. So just like literally just like twists. There's no products in my hair right now, absolutely nothing. I did the 6 twists all over my head. I put my bonnet on and I'm just waking up in the morning, so my hair is completely dry at this point. I typically use the ApHogee green tea Restructurizer as a leave-in type, heat protectant type thing, but I'm a little out of it. I didn't want to show y'all the bottle because I was literally like about to run out of it. So there's going to be a picture right here. This is my lifesaver. I have been using this product for probably 5 years, and I think that I can attest that a lot to my hair growth. My hair is longer than it's been in a long time, so I'm obsessed with the product. I use that as a heat protectant. For blow drying, this is my best friend. This is the Conair InfinitiPro. I have tried 100 different types of blow dryers with different comb attachments, and this has to be my most favorite. This has 2 rows of combs. I don't know if you can see it. And they are sturdy. There is 2 different heat settings. So this one moves and this one moves, right? There is low, high for the blow amount. And then there is warm and hot for the heat setting. And this changed my life. I have tried hundreds of different blow dryers to get me like my optimum blowout without having to take hours of time to get it done. I've cut my drying time probably in, not even in half, but down by like maybe 70% using this. Even when I do my hair from wet to just blow dry it out, it's significantly faster. Now today you're really not gonna be able to tell how fast that it actually is because my hair is already dry. So really I'm just using this more for smoothing purposes before I flat iron. But I will say that this is my favorite. The combs are really, really sturdy. The one that I had before this is my second one in 6 years probably. And the one that I had before this still worked. It's just that the comb, a lot of the bristles broke off, and that's just because I have really coarse, thick hair. But the blow dryer still worked fine. So this comes with different attachments, but this is the one that I think is the best. The other blow dryers that I've used, the one with where it's a typical blow dryer with like a round nozzle and the comb on the end, it doesn't give you the same leverage as you can with this. This feels like a brush. So I'm literally just brushing my hair all over. I would definitely recommend this for your blowouts, especially if you do your blowouts at home. Girl, you're gonna save a lot of time. I don't really use a comb until I get to kind of the top. I can straighten this out, and then I just use my fingernails to separate. So let's go ahead and get started. Oh, real quick, while we're talking about products, where'd it go? My flat iron. Nothing can be done without the flat iron, period. So this is, damn girl, I guess you love Conair. I need a Conair sponsorship. Everything I have is Conair. So this is the Conair InfinitiPro flat iron. And I've had this for many, many years as well, and it has not let me down. This flat iron is, I don't know if it's, I think it's a 1-inch. It's really, really thin, but what I like about it is that the plates are really, really long. So typically, if you get like a thinner flat iron, the plates are probably a little bit like maybe right there, from there to there. But this, where are you from? This is a lot longer. So I feel like the surface area is a lot greater. So in my head, that makes sense that it makes it go by faster. I don't know, it could just be Tony logic, I'm not sure. But it seems like it works better. Now, this goes on a heat setting from 1 to 30. Let me preface this. So, oh my God. Oh shit. That's nasty. So when hairdressers see my hair, they immediately want to get it bone straight. Tony don't like that. Tony does not like her hair bone straight because my hair, when it's in its straight state, holds so much oil, it ends up just being greasy the more that you straighten it. I don't know why it doesn't make any sense to me either, but that's what it ends up doing. So that's the reason why, one, I cannot put an excessive amount of products in my hair when I wear it straight versus when I wear my hair curly, the girl is just piling on anything that's moist and nearby. But when it is straight, I can't put anything in it. So I will put this on a setting of between 15 and 20. I do not go up to 30. And I only try to pass one time on my hair so that to try to prevent heat damage, which sometimes I ain't perfect, and that's all I'm saying. So this blow dry took all of 10 minutes. 10 minutes to blow dry my whole head. 10 minutes, sis. Get Conair. Send me my coins because everybody's gonna buy this. It's amazing. Like, I love this thing. It's so easy. Like, if you would have known me growing up and having that stupid blow dryer and my stupid brush, and I'm over here like, shh, shh, shh. Like, sis, I was exhausted. But now, look at me. Loose and limber, because I'm done. All right, in order to get a really good, clean blowout, straighten, line, whatever y'all want to call it, it's vital that you get a nice base in terms of your blow dry. So your blow dry should mimic how you want your hair. You want your hair to be straight, then blow dry should be straight. You need to blow dry your hair until it's in a straightened, stretched state. No waves, no bumps, no nothing. Now that's if you really want that Tony blowout. Now if you just want a regular old greasy old stiff wrap, then by all means. No stiff wraps 2020. I can do my whole head, flat iron it, start to finish, within 45 minutes to an hour. When I was younger, it used to take me 4 hours to do my hair. 4. That's when you had them big old fat flat irons, the big fat ones with the fat plates, and my mom would just be like, psh, 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 after she put the super in my hair, the super perm, like low down dirty shame. Next time when you go to the store, can you give me a mouth? Last time you got super girl? No.
Oh, Peaches, on your way to the post office, could you please stop by the store and give me a box of relaxer? And make sure that it says mild. Last time you got me super girl.
I had super in my hair. Super. 2 boxes. Super perm. You know how girls be like, When I was younger, my hair used to be down my back because I used to get perms. Well, that was really me. Insert picture of how fried my hair used to look when I used to get perms. So this growth is Tony created. Cause child, if I kept them perms in my head, I'd be a Babiana. But I'm not. So we're gonna take small sections of hair. This section is about 2 fingers. That's how I typically judge it. 2-finger section where they're gonna divide that into an even smaller section. Start at the root, hold it, bring it down all the way to the end. Look at that, look at that. To my hairstylist friends, I know this is probably not politically correct or the exact way to do it, but I also trim my ends section by section up my hair while I'm flat ironing it. So I have not flat ironed my hair in 1 month. So I know my ends are probably a little dusty. So when your ends get dusty, you gotta dust them. All right, so we've done 3 sections. They look a little raggedy. I'm gonna then split that into 2. I'm gonna take my shears, and then I just kind of cut what looks raggedy in the sections. So ends look a little fried. Just cut them off. I would not recommend you doing this, but this is what I do because I don't cut anything significant off. And I will say that I've noticed when I go to the hairdresser, they be scissor happy, and I don't have time for that. I went to one hairstylist and she cut like 5 inches of my hair off, and I didn't need that. I might have needed it, but I didn't want it. But my consistent hairdresser that I used to have, who grew my hair out beautifully, her name is Miss Kimberly Johnson at IC Diamonds. I think that's still her Instagram name. She grew my hair out for sure. She's the one that transitioned me from the creamy crack. And let me tell you, when I used to have to get my hair trimmed, it was a whole fight. It was a whole fight, but it worked. It worked. And she didn't trim like that other, no, I'm not gonna name that hairstylist that trimmed all my hair off like that. She didn't trim like that. She made it easy, an easy transition for me. And for that, I am forever grateful. So back to the regularly scheduled program. So I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed for the day, for church and for brunch, the Lord's brunch, featuring mimosas, and I'll be right back. So this is the finished product. Hair is pretty straight. I'm okay with it being a little not glass-like straight, like not bone straight, because that's what I was going for. This hairstyle for me is gonna last a while. Like, I'm not gonna have to re-straighten for a little minute. I did wrap my hair while I was getting dressed, and that's kind of why my part's kind of off center, but it is what it is. But let me tell you, lowering the temperature on your flat iron will definitely help you get a more voluminous blowout versus it being that bone straight type blowout, and that's the look that I typically go for when I do my hair. I hope you guys like it. Make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you tried it. Let me know what things that you do to make your blowouts last longer and make them look good. Thanks for tuning in. See you later.